Chord Map provides a large collection of well-voiced chord progressions that follow your scale settings. To start, let's make sure our track is record armed and load an instrument onto it. Head over to Sounds and choose an instrument. You can do this by double-clicking it or dragging and dropping it onto your chosen channel. To activate Chord Map, press the Chord Map button on your launch key. There are 4 variations to Chord Map: Adventure, Explore, Spread and Roll. You'll see these options on the screen of your launch key, and they can be controlled using the first 4 encoders of your launch key. At base level, Chord Map will play common chord progressions found in popular songs. Your launch keys screen will also show you the name of the chord and how to play it on the keys. To broaden your chord options, you can use the first 2 encoders. Where encoder 1, Adventure, will control how harmonically complex the chords are. Encoder 2, Explore, will provide different chord sets at each adventure level. To modify how these chords are played, you can use encoders 3 and 4. Encoder 3, Spread, will spread out the notes in the chord over multiple octaves. Encoder 4, Roll, will strum the sound. As you increase the value, you'll hear the notes played later over time. The 6 orange pads on the right-hand side are performance modifiers. These will change how the chords are performed. The first 2 pads will cycle through the notes of the chord. The next 2 pads will play inversions, shifting the notes within the chord to different positions on the keyboard. And the final 2 pads will split the chord between bass and higher notes.